That is amazing return, guys. And then I made $9,500 right here, and up only I made $14,500. That is a nice way to start the year, guys. We just made 330% on the last 48 hours. Let me show the coins I trades, the trades I share in the private list. We trade Dent, up only, Bolt, and Gov, guys. Guys, the way it works is my software combines volume spike plus buyer power, but on this channel we focus in volume, guys. On the last hour, Dent has the volume of $50 million, up only $1 million, Bolt $161,000, and Gov $216,000. Guys, if I made $33,000 trading those coins, you can make the same profits I do. You just need to follow my trades, okay? First trade recap, it's Dent. I shared this trade in the private list right here on December 28th. We bought this coin for 0.00058 and you put a sell order right here, guys. 0.0012. I made $95,000. No, 9,500. Trade crypto members made 9,500%. Okay, 95%. But like I mentioned before, by calculate volume spike plus buyer power, what I'm trying to say is the volume is spike right here, but most of those volumes they are invisible. Let me show how they're gonna show up here. You just need to move the chart a little bit. See? Look how they spike. They are invisible because they happen too fast, guys. So in order to find those coins, the software needs tracks every 5 minutes. That's why we made so much trades, because we have a software trade us, alert us in the real time. Next trade recap is up only, guys. I made 14,500 this trade. I shared this trade in private list on December 29. We bought this coin for 0.0051. Put a sell order right here, 0.014. I made 14,000. Some members made 173%. That's how you make money. If you like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out. My name is Daniel. I live in South Beach, Miami, and my email is tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Let's trade with us. Together, we are strong. Thanks for your time and have a blessed day. Bye.